Welcome back to the channel. Real quick, man, 2015 Dodge Challenger. Now this Challenger has a 3.6 in it. Most Challengers have a Hemi, the 5.7 Hemi. But the check engine light on, shaking badly. I suspect a misfire. So what I'm gonna do is hook this up. Let's get right to the diagnosis. I'll hook up my scan tool, and we're gonna go to my patented supercomputer, hook my patented scan tool up. And y'all know where I'm headed when I leave here. Going straight to my computer. All right, let's get with it. All right, let's get to it, man. Let's look this thing up and see what's going on. I left the car running, by the way, and we're gonna go to PCM because my check engine light on. And what do we have on the DTC is 3 fault codes relating to cylinder 1. Multiple cylinder misfire, ignition coil, and cylinder 1 misfire. Now this particular model, we can actually look and see which cylinder is missing. And as you can see from this screen, I got a misfire counter in cylinder number 1. All right, so I have verified the complaint. That's step 1 of my diagnosis. All right, you saw it, misfire in cylinder 1. Problems in cylinder 1. Coil problems in cylinder 1. So what that tells me is the misfire in that particular cylinder is related. All right, let's what I'm gonna end up doing probably is cylinder 1. We done went over this before, y'all. I'm sure y'all know what cylinder 1 is by now. And keep in mind, this is a 3.6, so nothing fancy or technical about it. Cylinder 1, closest cylinder to the front. Okay, so we're having a problem with cylinder 1. We're not talking about banks this time. We're talking about cylinder, but the same theory apply as far as trying to locate cylinder 1. Whichever cylinder head closest to the front would be bank 1, which means cylinder 1 is on the same cylinder. So, whoa, from the looks of this is not OEM factory coil. Not only that, it looks like they've been replaced. So what that tells me is somebody been trying to repair this car, trying to figure it out. Okay, so I can almost guarantee you they have removed these coils and put in new spark plugs. But I will not go off their diagnosis. I will check this coil. I will run the proper diagnosis on coil. You know, I'm sure what they do is have you actuate the ASD relay. You know how coils work. These are duty cycle. So which means one wire has to be straight 12 volts. So I'm sure it's coming from the ASD, and the other wire is duty cycle ground from the PCM. So I would check and make sure this connector is getting its proper voltage and ground. Eventually, I'm gonna pull this coil and take a look at the spark plug. I'm gonna do my own diagnosis. I'm not gonna go by the fact that they just replaced all those coils. Look at that. Those coils look brand new. And I can almost guarantee you the 3 on this side is new. So again, somebody has been trying to fix this car, but we're gonna do it the right way. I don't operate like that, all right? So I'll get back with y'all on my findings. I don't wanna hold y'all long, but that's what we got on this 2015 Dodge Challenger with the 3.6, all right? Check engine light was on. We're trying to find out why it has a misfire in cylinder 1. So again, thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.